Welcome to Kamehameha Schools Maui 2013 Aha Mele. This year's theme is He ʻOhana Kākou. We are a family.
Kamehameha Schools Maui embraces Pauahis' love for choral music. And this is really a Kamehameha Schools tradition where we come together and we sing the songs our kupuna sang, we sing our beloved Kamehameha ali'i songs, we sing about our ʻAina, and this evening we're going to sing about our ʻOhana.
He mo'omeheu ka Aha Mele no ke kula ki'e o Kamehameha Maui, mai kona ho'omaka ana I ka makahiki e lua kaukani e kolu. He Aha Mele ia mena ano mele a hula I pili ke kumuhana no ka makahiki kula. A o ke kumuhana no ke ia makahiki, o ia ho'i he ʻOhana Kākou. Eia nae, o ka mea I kālele nui ia, o ia ka ike ana I ke ia oi kela o na haumana.
This year, more than any year in the past, the students have taken a lot of ownership and they've been doing things like calling their own rehearsals and actually running their own rehearsals.
It's my kuleana to fit the pieces together and make us flow and make the vision come alive, I guess. First, I think it's like pitch and like tone, make sure you're singing the correct notes. And also like the feeling behind it, like their emotions, allowing them to like just come forth to make the song like come alive.
I'm really competitive and I kind of expect a lot. Sometimes I come across too like pushy. Sometimes I come across too nice. You kind of just have to find that middle and that's where your class will meet you, and when they meet you there, the song turned out amazing.
Ma waho ka hua ana mai o kahi mele nahe ano hea ke lohe aku. O ka mea ana haumana o ke kula ki'e o Kamehameha Maui e ake nui ana. Oi ana ho'i ka wae ho'olaha ia I ka papa nona, ka maka o ka ihe.
At the end of the program, I'm invited to the stage. And my heart is ticking just like everyone else because I don't know who won. And then I announced the winning class.
I'm very pleased to present Kamaka o Ka'ihe to the junior class.
And the class president comes forward and puts their class colored ribbon on the ihe. It's tied on and it stays there for the rest of the year. When you put your class color on the ihe, it's almost like bragging rights for the year.
I'm really happy with how it's evolved as it's grown. The kids also feel a need to compete and to win, and I think that's really good for our culture and our Hawaiian music.
Hopefully, and I think they'll be able to look back and see just the connection that these mele give them to the past, to being Hawaiian, and it's really something important that they get to perpetuate it.